MapThat area search tool is accessible from the Map Tools menu. If we choose area search, we have a number of options. These involve creating individual point buffers, multiple point buffers, buffers around lines, and also defining our own areas. In this example, we'll simply create a point buffer of 2 kilometers from this location. 2,000 meters, press confirm, and there's our buffer. The next time the user turns another layer on, for example from Report It, we'll display the abandoned vehicles. MapThat asks us whether we want to filter the abandoned vehicles using the buffer object. Let's press OK, and now only the abandoned vehicles that fall within 2 kilometers of that address are shown. If we open the data table, we get to see that there's 3 records in total. Now the area search can be used in conjunction with the data table. So for example here we could just filter based on only the abandoned vehicle incidents that are still open. Typing open and filter shows us there's 2 records, and by applying that to the map is now filtered to only show us the red objects where abandoned vehicle incidents are still open. If we open the information bubble, we get to see the extra data. In addition to that, another example could be, if we zoom out to the entirety of Liverpool, you might want to understand what falls geographically within a given area. So for example, let's turn the ward boundaries on. And in this case, we'll turn on some points of interest, such as leisure centres. Instead of identifying the leisure centres across the whole of Liverpool, we're going to use the area search tool to use an existing area or shape to work out points within that area. Let's choose the ward in the centre of Liverpool here. We'll confirm that as our area. We'll then apply that search, and within the MapThat search we have options to choose the layers that we want to filter within that polygon boundary, in this case the leisure centres. We could choose all layers, and we could also export that data directly out to Excel. If I now apply the search, MapThat will filter the leisure centres based on the one ward we selected. Again, opening the data table will reveal the number of records we're interested in.